playful puppy with a wagging tail would chase his ball, he'd never fail. And waddling behind a baby duck with tiny wings and a cheerful cluck. Kitten, puppy, baby duck, playing together in the muck. Jump and splash, run and quack, friends forever, that's a fact. The kitten climbed up a big oak tree. The puppy barked, "Come down to me." The duck looked up and gave a shout, "Let's all play on the ground, no doubt." They laughed and tumbled, the sweetest crew. Their friendship sparkled fresh as dew. Kitten, puppy, baby duck, playing together in the muck. Jump and splash, run and quack, friends forever, that's a fact. Through sunny fields and rainy skies, they explore the world with curious eyes. No matter the weather, no matter the place, they're always smiling, no frown on their face. Kitten, puppy, baby duck, playing together in the muck. Jump and splash, run and quack, friends forever, that's a fact. So if you see a kitten, a pup, and a duck, join their adventure, wish them good luck. Together they play, together they roam. With friends like these, the world's your home. You said, now write the text to image prompts this song, and keep all characters consistent in all the prompts. ChatGPT said, ChatGPT, here are detailed text to image prompts based on the song, ensuring the kitten, puppy, and baby duck remain consistent in all depictions.